Alright, so we're here with the head coach of Jamaica College's Manning Cup team, Mr. Davian Ferguson. First of all, coach, talk me through your team's performance. What were you trying to do today?
We wanted to control the game. We know that Selassie has some very good players offensively. We wanted to really starve them of possession. I know that once we control the game with the ball and against the ball, I think we would have won the game. So I think overall the plan worked in terms of us controlling the game overall.
Coach, towards the end of the game, in terms of the middle of the second half, towards the end of the game, we saw the intensity in the game drop. Was that a deliberate instruction from yourself to your team, or was that just schoolboys being schoolboys?
It's hard to really put a finger on it, but when you have a lead as we did, we had a 2-0 lead, and we had players who know that in 2 days' time they have to go again. So naturally they're going to try and conserve energy. That was a part of the plan also, because in this stage the games come very thick and fast. So what we have to do is to try our best to see how we can win these games using the least amount of energy as possible, because the further you go in the competition, the more you're going to need to call up on that.
Alright, coach, are we seeing the best Jamaica College right now, or is there more in the tank?
I don't know. I think the most important thing at this stage of the season is to win games. I think we're doing that. If there's more to come, I think the fans will definitely see it.
Alright, coach. What we here at this side of Sports TV like about this Jamaica College team is your defense. I feel like you are defensively solid, and your goalkeeper is a really good goalkeeper. Talk me through that partnership between the captain Davidson and Romain Blake.
They would have played together last year. They have a lot of experience. But I think defensively, if you look at the performance, it starts a little bit high up the pitch. Our centre forward, our midfielders behind, how we try to organise our press and our counter-pressing game. So if you look at the game predominantly, they don't really have much defensive actions to do. But overall, I think they're very good players, and players definitely for the future in Jamaica's football.
Alright, do you feel like there's a chip on Jamaica College's shoulder? A lot of people not predicting you guys to win the Manning Cup. You're not heavy favourites. And I know that Jamaica College will be in and around it. Do you guys feel like, it's weird to say, but even a bit of an underdog coming into this year's season?
I think as a coach, I'm not a well-liked coach, and I don't care. But I know that since I've been here, we have been in 2 finals, 2 seasons, 2 finals. I've won 1 and I've lost 1 on penalties. So I think the fans or whoever, pundits or whatever, their job is to criticize. That's their job. We have no problem with that. But we know that our system, our organization, our structure is good enough. And normally, once you have that, you're normally in and around where it matters most.
Alright, coach, final question. Talk to me about your number 10, Wilson. We feel like he's a special player. Talk to us about that player.
I think we have a good group. Wilson adds value to that. Good player. I think today he had one of his better day. I think on a more better day though, he could have scored 2 or 3 goals easily. So I think that is something that he has to really sharpen up on in terms of that killer instinct. But overall, I think he's a very good player.
Alright, back into the season, coach. Will we see Jamaica College in the finals?
Our only focus is on stats. I think we have that game on Friday. Definitely is to get these boys recovered, get these boys prepared for that one come Friday.
Alright, thank you, coach. Congrats.
No,